See, we discussed today the point of concurrence. We know when the two lines are intersecting, suppose there is a line and there is another line, they are intersecting, then the common point for both the lines is called the point of intersection. This is called P, the point of intersection. Now today we discuss the point of concurrence. Suppose more than two lines passing through the same common point, then the point of concurrence, suppose this is the third line also passes through the same point P, then the three lines same passing through the same point P. So the point P is called the point of concurrence. This is also the point of intersection taking any two lines. So this is a point of concurrence. What we can say? If more than two lines passing through the same point then the common point is called point of concurrence. So this is called the point of concurrence. Suppose to find the point of concurrence means what we should do, we can take any two lines in the given lines, then you find the point of intersection of those two lines. Then that point is only the common point for all the lines. So we say that is called the point of concurrence. Suppose a line is given, some three lines are given to you. Suppose x plus p equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and y minus 2 equal to 0. Then the three lines are given to you. It is given that the three lines have a point of concurrence, and then the three lines are called the concurrent lines. Suppose the three lines have a point of concurrence, then what the three lines are called? Three lines are called concurrent lines. See here. So he has given you these three lines and they are concurrent lines. Now it is given that. Now he is asking you to find the p-value. So how to find the p-value? You take any two lines and find the point of intersection. Then that point also, this line, third line also will pass through that line. So therefore that should be satisfied here in the third line. So naturally p-value can be obtained. So let us see in this case. So first these two we saw. Y minus 2 equal to 0 we take. So y is equal to 2. Now substitute this here. I am solving 1, 2, 3. I am solving 2 and 3. So this is y is equal to 2 I got. Now substituting this in the second one, I get x value. So now 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. That is 2x plus 3 into 2 plus 4 equal to 0. So 2x plus 6 plus 4 equal to 0. That is 2x is plus 10. That is 2x is equal to minus 10. So what is x value? Minus 10 by 2 minus 5. So this x value also I got. So what I got now? X value, y value means the point of intersection of any two lines from the given three concurrent lines I got. So the point of concurrence is x comma y is minus 5, x is minus 5, y is 2. So that is the p minus 5 comma 2. That is a point of concurrence. It means the first line also should pass through that point. So x plus p equal to 0 also, it should be satisfied. So what is x we substitute here? So x plus p equal to 0. It is x is minus 5 plus p equal to 0. So what is p? Plus 5. So this is the point of concurrence in the concurrent lines. Now we discuss family of lines. Family of straight lines. Family of straight lines. Suppose there is a line L1 equal to 0, another line L2 equal to 0. Then any third length passes through the same point of intersection of these two lines. So this is the third line which is passing through the same point of intersection, the point of intersection of these two lines. Otherwise it is, these three lines are concurrent. These three lines are concurrent. So now I can say this is more than two lines are existing, then passing through the same point, then we can say they represent the family of lines. They represent family of lines. That is, they can be represented as lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Because third line is like this. You can say the fourth line passing through the same point P, like this. So this is I can say this is called the family of lines. So lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. So what does it represent? So family of lines means the lines are following some condition. What is the condition? So all the lines are passing through the same common point. They can't go like as they wish. See, suppose L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, there is a line. So this is a line. I am multiplying a constant lambda 1 for L1. I am multiplying constant lambda 2 for L2. And that also, when L1 is equal to 0, lambda 1 multiplied by a constant also equal to 0 is a straight line. This is L2 is equal to 0, constant lambda t if I multiply, that is also representing a straight line. So now adding these together, that is also representing a straight line because it is also a first degree equation in x and y. So this is also representing a straight line. So this point for this is also a straight line now first of all. Now any point on this line will not be satisfied for these two, because it has to satisfy for L1 and it has to satisfy for L2, then only this line can be satisfied for that point. Which point will be satisfied like this? Only the common point will be satisfied for both L1 and L2. So when combined also, that point, that line, you got the line also, that common point, single point only will be satisfied. Okay, now that is why this is a family of lines will be written like this: lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Sometimes we say this family of lines as L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. How? See, that's also passing through the L1 and L2 only. So passing through the same common point only. See how? I take, this is a family of lines just as we know now. I take from this one lambda 1 common. What will happen? L1 plus lambda 2 by lambda 1, because I took lambda 1 outside, into L2 equal to 0. So lambda 1 will go that side, 0 by lambda 1. So what you got? L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0, where this constant by this constant, if you it simplified, you are getting another constant, that is lambda. That is where lambda is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. So the family of lines are represented by L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So any line passing through the point of concurrence or the point of intersection of these two lines, that line is represented by L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Now see, I want L4, then what it will be? Lambda will be different. See, another line is like this, L5. That is also L1 plus lambda L2 only, but lambda will be different. See, here L4 one lambda will be there, and for L5 one lambda will be different. So any line passing through the point of intersection of L1 and L2, here that all lines are, I can say simply in this form, L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So this is represented by family, this is called the family of lines. See, the family of lines, this is representing a family of lines. Suppose we should, he is asking to find the point of concurrence. Point of concurrence to find, means we should find the point of intersection of those two lines. See, we have to adjust this one to L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. This format we should bring this family of lines. How? This, open the brackets, 2x plus 5kx minus 3y minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6ky plus 2 minus k equal to 0. See, I have to take without k terms and with k terms as separate. 2x, here also k is not there, take that one. Here also k is not there, take that one. Now I take k common, because in this k is there, in this k is there, in this k is there. Firstly I wrote 2x minus 3y plus 2. Now I am writing only k terms. So k I took outside, so it is 5x. This one k outside, so minus 6y. So k outside, so minus 1. See, this is a first degree equation x and y. So this represents a straight line. So it is L1 equal to 0, assume. So this is a first degree equation x and y. So this is also assumed as a second line, L2 equal to 0. This is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0, where here what is lambda? K. So what is L1 now? 2x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Second line, 5x minus 6y minus 1 equal to 0. See, I have to find the point of intersection of these two lines. That is nothing but the point of concurrence of this family of lines. Let us see. So any two lines, L1 and L2, we are solving the point of intersection now. So that will be the point of concurrence for the family of lines. Let us see. So this is number 1, this is number 2, this is 3y, this is 6y. Instead of doing 2 with all multiplying here and 5 multiplying here, this is convenient for us to eliminate y. So I multiply the first line with the 2 to make it 6y. 6y will be cancelled. So first one, multiply with the 2. So 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y, plus 2 2s are 4. And this one, nothing to multiply because already 6y is there. So 5x minus 6y minus 1. So subtracting, cancel. This becomes plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. So 4x minus 5x minus x, 4 plus 1 plus 5 equal to 0. So 5 is equal to minus x, go that side. X is equal to 5. Now I substitute in any first one or second one. So first one preferably. So x in 1. 2x means 5 minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. That is 10 minus 10 plus 2 is equal to 3y. Minus 3y, go that side. So 12 is equal to 3y. Y is equal to 12 by 2, 12 by 3. So y is 4. So we got the point of concurrence as x comma y, that is 5 comma 4. Therefore, point of concurrence is p x comma y is 5 comma 4. So we do the next problem. See the second problem on the family of lines. If 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0, then show that the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines. Find the point of concurrence. What should we do? We have to establish, first of all, it is representing a family of lines. That is, a family of lines means L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So first of all, we have to adjust this line as a family of lines by using the given condition. Okay? So let us take this one, 3a given 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0. That is 4c is equal to minus 3a minus 2b. C is minus 3a minus 2b by 4. Now I eliminate, here in these three constants are there, so only two constants I preferably arrange. How? C I eliminate in terms of a and b. So totally in the equation family of lines only a and b two constants will be there. See. So now given family of lines, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now c, instead we write this obtained value ax plus by plus c instead minus plus minus 3a minus 2b by 4 is equal to 0. So cross LCM 4. So 4ax plus 4by minus 3a minus 2b by 4 and 4 will cancel. This 4 will multiply. So 4ax, 4 will multiply. 4by, so 4 will multiply, 4 will cancel. So this only will come. Is equal to 0 also into 4. 0 only. Now 4ax minus 3a. Yes, both I arranged first. Now plus 4by minus 2b equal to 0. I take a as common. 4x minus 3. Here b common. 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you see, this is in the form of family of lines. How? This is a is a constant, b is a constant, so we can say lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. So this is the line, first one L1, that is 4x minus 3 equal to 0, the first degree equation. This is the first degree equation, 4y minus 2 equal to 0, the second equation, second line. So this is the first line, this is the second line. We have to solve L1 and L2 to get the point of intersection, otherwise the point of concurrence. Right? See, this is in the form of, I write here, lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0, where A is lambda 1, B is lambda 2. So what is L1 I can say? 4x minus 3 equal to 0. L2 I can say 4y minus 2 equal to 0. So I have to solve these two lines. There is no y to avoid. So directly you can find the point of intersection or point of concurrence. So first of all, 4x minus 3 equal to 0 means 4x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 4. Now 4y minus 2 equal to 0 means 4y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by 4. So that is 1 by 2. So the point of intersection, or in this case family of lines, so it's the point of concurrence is nothing but px comma y is 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Therefore the point of concurrence for the family of lines px comma y is 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Here, the third problem, if A, B, C are in harmonic progression and show that the equation x by A plus y by B plus 1 by C equal to 0 represents the family of lines. Find the point of concurrence. So here also what we adjust? It is in the form of L1, lambda 1, L1 plus lambda 2, L2 equal to 0. And then those 2 points L1 and L2 we saw find the point of intersection of those two lines is nothing but the point of concurrence of this family of concurrent lines. Let us see. So A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Harmonic progression means A, B, C are in HP. That is B will be 2AC by A plus C. Harmonic mean. So roughly I will explain how this happens. This is not needed actually. ABC or in HP means 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. AP common difference will be there. What is that common difference? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. That is the common difference. See what is the common difference? 1 by B minus 1 by A is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by B. Minus 1 by B come this side, plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by A. So this is nothing but 2 by B, right? So LCM here, C, A. So here it will come A plus C. So 2 by B. I want B by 2. Reciprocal here. So reciprocal there. CA by A plus C. So I want B only now. So 2 will go right side. Dividing 2 becomes multiply. So 2AC by A plus C. So when the A, B, C are in HP, I should consider B is equal to 2AC by A plus C. Now, here this is a given condition, this is a family of lines. So I should adjust this one. How? Here three unknowns values are there, 3 constants are there. One constant I have to eliminate. See, I have to eliminate, in this case B is better. Instead of C or A, B is better. So let us see here. X by A is A only, Y by B is 2AC by A plus C by 2AC by A plus C. So plus 1 by C equal to 0. So naturally what will happen? This denominator goes up. So X by A plus Y into A plus C by 2AC plus 1 by C equal to 0. I take 2AC LCM. So A will cancel, 2c is there, 2c multiplies x. So 2cx, 2ac go one time, so same will come, 1 into plus c will cut, 2a is there, 2a multiplies 1, 2a only. Now cross multiplication, huh? So 2ac multiplies 0 becomes 0. Now 1 into this much only will be there. So what is there? 2cx plus y into a plus c plus 2a. This 2s into 0 becomes 0 only. Now I split this. 2cx plus ay plus cy plus 2a equal to 0. Now 2cx cy. I take 2cx plus cy plus ay plus 2a equal to 0. So I take c common, 2x plus y. Here I can take a common, y plus 2. So this is c is a constant, a is a constant. So lambda 1 L1, because this is a first degree equation x and y, so it is representing for straight line equation. So I suppose this is L1. Second line, suppose this as L2. So this is in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Now, so what is first line L1 represents? 2x plus y equal to 0. Second line, y plus 2 equal to 0. That is, y plus 2 equal, I have to solve these two lines. So what is y? Minus 2. Substituting in this one, 2x plus y value minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. So x is 1, y is minus 2. So that is the point of intersection of these two lines. Otherwise, it's a family of lines, point of concurrence. So therefore, you write, therefore, the point of concurrence is P, x comma y is 1 comma minus 2. See, the general form of the line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The area of the triangle formed by this line with the coordinate axis. So this is the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis is a line, general form. The area of the triangle means, you know, the area of the triangle is half base into height, right? So otherwise you can use the 3-point formula, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of the triangle long formula is there. So any method you can do. So let us find out the area of the triangle. So first of all, if I know the base and I know the height, then I can use the formula half base into height. That is, here base is what? The x-intercept. Suppose this is a comma 0, this is 0 comma b. So area of the triangle is origin OAB is half base into height. That is half A into B. Here A is the x-intercept, B is y-intercept. That is height of the triangle, this is base of the triangle. So, I have to find in this general form with this line equation was given. So, I should know what is the base here, that is x-intercept. See, how to do that? To convert this one into the intercept form. So, come on. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first of all, converting this into the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So first of all, is equal to 1 means here is equal to minus c. Ax plus by is equal to minus c. Now I have to make this as 1. How? Dividing by minus c. So left side also I should divide. So this becomes x by minus c by a. This a comes down to the denominator. Plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1. Now this poorly, if this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x-intercept a is equal to minus c by a, y-intercept b is equal to minus c by b. So half base into height. Half a b. So area of the triangle. That is the line with the coordinate axis. So half base into height minus c by a minus c by b. This is nothing but minus into minus plus c square by 2ab. So this is the area of the triangle. Okay. So on this basis, area of the triangle, we find one problem. Let us see here. Here you see, this is the general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So he has given you in this problem now, if the line passes through a and b, 2 points are given, find the area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis. See, suppose you have to find the equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB, 2-point formula we can use. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So what is the 2-point form? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So now this equation becomes y minus y1 2 by y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now that is y minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 by 6. So here 3 table will go, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So y minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So cross multiplication. 2 into y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 into x plus 1. That is 2y minus 4 minus x minus 1. Minus x I take this side, plus x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 here only, minus 4 go that side. That is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now, this is area of this triangle formed with the coordinate axis with this line. So, this is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Otherwise, I write this one as x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So, what is a here? 1. B is 2. C is minus 3. So, area of the triangle formed by this line with the coordinate axis is c square by 2ab. That is, c is minus 3 whole square by 2 into 1 into 2. That is 9 by 4 square units. So, this is area of the triangle. Otherwise, half base into height also we can do. That way we see another method. X plus 2y is equal to 3. So, I am making intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So, by 3, by 3, by 3, because I am converting that into the intercept form. So, x by 3 plus y by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So, area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis is half base into height. So, half a is 3, b is 3 by 2. That is 3 to 3 is 9 by 4 square units. So, the method whichever is convenient for us we can follow. Generally, c square by 2ab method only will be convenient for us. See here, in this we got the area of the triangle c square by 2ab, we got 9 by 4 square units. But what we did in this 2 points on the line, that is A and B are the 2 points, because to find the area of this line, the area of the triangle formed by this line with the coordinate axis means what we are doing is, first with A and B we got the line. Those 2 points are not here and here. That we should understand. So somewhere on the line, maybe this point outside, A point may be here. We can't say A and B where they are. So that is why I should get the line equation in this form first of all. First you got the equation of the line. Then you convert that with the coordinate axis area of the triangle means we have to c square by 2ab. Suppose he has given you the x-intercept and y-intercept. Suppose the area of the triangle formed by this line x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. The area of the triangle is asking to find with the coordinate axis by this line. Means half base into height. Half 2 into 3. So 3 square units. So if he has given you the intercept form like this, directly we can use the formula half base into height. But any 2 points on the line means we have to get the equation of the line and then converting in the general form at c square by 2ab. Right? Given the area of the triangle is 24 square units, by which is formed, area of the triangle is formed with the line and with the coordinate axis. So this is a line and the coordinate axis. Given the area was 24 square units. So this area was given 24 square units. Now find the equation of the line if it passes through P3, 4. Suppose there is a point 3, 4. So first of all, area of the triangle we should go for half base into height or half A into B. Suppose you take here, this is A, 0 and this is B, 0, B. So then you take this as point P. So this x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B. So given solution, area of triangle OAB is half A into B, base into height, that is 24 square units. Half, that is AB by 2, I can say. So what is AB? 48. I want B only. 48 by 8. Now I should use the intercept form of the line to get the equation of the line, but which is passing through P3, 4. It is the hint for us. So intercept form of the line. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So A is, let it be A only. B I should write 48 by A because area of the triangle is 24 square units. I adjusted this B value in terms of A. So X by A plus y by B is 48 by A is equal to 1. So this A denominator, so it goes up. So X by A plus AY by 48 is equal to 1. So I take 48A is LCM. So multiply by 48A here and 48A here. So then here A will cut. So this will be 48x. A cut 48x. Here 48 will cut. A into AY plus A square y is equal to 48A. So this is the equation of the line. Okay, this line is passing through P3, 4. I take a substitute. This line pass through P 3, 4, that is 48 into 3 plus 4 means A square into 4 is equal to 48A. So I take 4 common throughout. 4 into 12 into 3 plus 4A square is equal to 4 into 12 A. So 4, 4, 4 will be cancelled. So what is left over? 36 plus A square is equal to 12A. that is a square minus 12a plus 36 equal to 0. This is nothing but a minus 6 whole square equal to 0. So what is a minus 6? So that is also 0 only. So what is a? 6. So now the equation of the line is where a value substitute in the first one. It is 48x plus a square y is equal to 48a. I write a value there. So 48x plus 6 square y is equal to 48 into 6. That is 48x plus 36y is equal to 48 into 6. So I take 12 here, 12 fours are 48, here 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. So I divide by 12 by 12 by 12. So what we are getting? 12 fours are 48, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. That is 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. This is the equation of the line following the condition that the area of the triangle formed by this line with the coordinate axis is 24 square units. See, find the equation of the line if the portion of the line where it is intercepted by the coordinate axis at A and B. So this is a line, the portion of the line is intercepted at A and B, the coordinate axis. Now this portion AB is divided in the ratio 2:3. 2:3 at this point P minus 5, 2. Find the equation of the line. Equation of the line. See, here suppose AB is like this. 2:3 means this is 2, this is 3. This is a point P is given minus 5, 2. This A you know as A, 0. This B also you know as 0, B. So we have to find this A and B. Then we go to the intercept form of the line. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Okay? Let us see. You know the m is to n means mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Right? That is the x coordinate. Minus 5. So, minus 5, 2 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3a by 2 plus 3, 2b plus 3 into 0 by 2 plus 3. That is 0 plus 3a by 5. 2b plus 0 by 5. That is 3a by 5. 2b by 5. This is minus 5, 2. Now, I find a value and b value from this one. See, so minus 5 is equal to 3a by 5 as x coordinate is equal to x coordinate. So what is A? 5 into minus 5 into 5 by 3. Come this way, reverse, reciprocal. So A is minus 25 by 3. Now, similarly, 2 is equal to 2b by 5. 2 ones are 2. So b is equal to 5 into 1. So A is 25 by 3. The equation, once you got A and B, the equation of the line we got. That is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the line x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. That is, x by A is minus 25 by 3 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. That is, 3 goes up. So 3x by minus 25 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. So I multiply with LCM minus 25. So minus 25, here also minus 25, here also minus 25. That is, here minus 25 will cut. So what I will be getting? 3x plus minus 25 into y by 5. Here also I write minus 25 by 3x by minus 25 is equal to minus 25. Here minus 25 will cancel. Here 5 times. What we are getting? 3x, here minus 5 into y. Minus 5y is equal to minus 25. That is, 3x minus 5y is equal, take this side, plus 25. That is the equation of the line. Suppose I do suppose it is given instead of 2:3, I change a little bit problem. It is bisected, is divided, no. If AB is bisected, at P comma Q, then find the equation of the line. Then what we do? Next problem. If it is bisected, bisected means what? It's midpoint. The diagram will change. The diagram will be midpoint. P comma Q. That is the midpoint. This won't change. So midpoint means what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is P comma Q. The midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of the line AB is P comma Q is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, a plus 0 by 2, 0 plus b by 2. That is a by 2 comma b by 2, P comma Q. Then, so what is P is equal to? A by 2 implies 2P, cross multiplication, and Q is equal to B by 2 implies 2Q is equal to B. So, what is the equation of the line now? Because the intercept form will not be changed. That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But a is what? X by 2p plus y by 2q is equal to 1. So I take LCM 2pq, 2p and q, because 2 anyway is present here. So multiply with LCM 2pq. That is 2pq into x by 2p plus 2pq into y by 2q is equal to 1 into 2pq. So here 2p will be cancelling, here 2q will be cancelling. So q is there, so qx, here py is equal to 2pq. This is the equation of the line when it is bisected. The portion divided between the coordinate axis is bisected at p comma q. We can change a little bit here the midpoint formula we are using and getting the equation of the line like this. So we wind up the class for today. We will continue with the different models in the next class. Today we did the review. We are doing the review here. The point of concurrence we discussed and the concurrent lines, then family of lines, then the area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis. Area of the triangle formed by a line with the coordinate axis. And finding the equation of the line when a point is given in the portion divided between the coordinate axis. So these are the problems we reviewed today in this class. In the next class we will be discussing a line dividing 2 points joining in the ratio AB in the ratio minus L11 by L22 and the angle between the two lines. We will discuss in the next class.